Ryan, James, and Emma, and this is our robot. It's a marble sorter that sorts 3 different kinds of marbles. It sorts wood, white, and metal. Oops. And these are the 3 here, as Dima is holding. Now James will explain how it works and the parts that don't exactly work the way we want it to. James?
So, right here we have the distributor, which is a gear run by this motor. And the idea is that the marble would be dropped down and it would stop there, and the program would make the gear turn, further dispensing the marble down. The metal marbles would hit this area and drop into this cup that we made, and the lighter marbles would continue rolling forward, and they would hit the seesaw, and the seesaw is programmed by a motor to sort the plastic and the wooden, and the way that the program would distinguish in between the two is that we have a light sensor underneath, which, when we hold this flashlight over the light sensor, it recognizes which type of marble is beneath it, and it sorts it to the left or the right. But the parts that don't work is that the whole machine overall, in the way that the marble actually physically runs through it, is unreliable, and the marbles can go off course or fall out of place. And sometimes the seesaw is unreliable because it might be a programming error, although theoretically our code is fine. But the tape also over the top of the light sensor might have something to do with that as well. But that's about it. That's our machine for the most part.
Now Dima will talk about what he did exactly with the code.
Okay, this is the code that we did. We set int. We set the int named count is equal to 0. Then we use loop while. So if count less than 15, the loop is true. So, and we repeat it and repeat. So at first we start with this motor named A motor with the speed 10. We wait 1 second and then we stop the motor. Then if sensor value, that is right there, if sensor value says that if it's bigger than 700, and at the same time it is smaller than 800, then the motor turns on the right. And if the sensor value is less than 700, then it turns on the left. So in this way, it should sort all marbles. Yeah,
alright, now we will demonstrate how it actually works in real time.
Don't forget to evaluate your teammates today too.
So we compile and download the program.
As you can see, the marble is located in the black gear as of now, and we'll fire up the program here.
Start.
See, the seesaw here that is supposed to, when the metal marble hits it, that it's supposed to fall into this bottle here, but it's unreliable due to the fact that the speed that the gear gives off is different from what we would like it to be, and it changes randomly every time. As you can see, the white one is always, the white and the wood one are both supposed to land right there, and then the flashlight will shine down upon it, and the light sensor will pick up which one it actually is, and it depending on which one, it will go to the right or to the left. This part does not work because of the fact that the programming is off. It's very unreliable. It works probably maybe 2 for every 10 times we try it. This one works a little bit more consistently. It works approximately 70% of the time. As you can see there, it worked perfectly. But again, it's a very unreliable program. This is our marble sorter, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.